In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, you need to access Settings and tap on Bluetooth under Wi-Fi. Now click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, in the matter of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, click on this icon next to the device, select Unpair, and if you wish to connect to the same one, click on it and click on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!